Namaste, welcome to sisrekhakitchen.com. Today I am making quinoa vegetable fried rice. I made it just like how we make the fried rice. That's why I called it quinoa fried rice. But it is not a rice, it is not even a grain, it is a seed variety. To make quinoa fried rice, take 1 cup of quinoa and dry roast it on medium flame until you smell a light aroma. Quinoa became more popular in these days because it contains all essential amino acids, thus making it a complete protein, whereas the rice and wheat are missing some amino acids. It has become a healthy option over rice for many people. Okay, my quinoa started giving nice aroma. Looks like it has been fried well. So I'm going to switch off the flame and wash it a couple of times until I see the clear water. Quinoa has been washed very well. For a perfect quinoa, take 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of quinoa. Cook it covered on medium flame until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, bring down the temperature to low flame and cook it about 15 to 20 minutes. Quinoa has been cooked very well. It looks nice and fluffy. The cooking time for quinoa is 20 minutes. Transfer the quinoa into another bowl to cool down. Now the quinoa has cooled down. Never make the fried rice or quinoa when it is hot. If you make it with hot rice or quinoa, it gets mushy. So it is very important to cool down the quinoa or the rice completely before you make it. Let us see the vegetables. I have garlic, ginger, green chilli, onion, orange, green, red and yellow bell peppers. I cut them into small pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan on medium heat. Then add the green chilli, ginger and garlic and saute them. Before the ginger garlic turns brown, add the onion and the other vegetables. Stir fry them. Add a pinch of salt and continue stirring. Vegetables have been fried well, but they are still crunchy. Let us add the cooked and cooled quinoa. Give them a good mix. Let us add some soy sauce. I am using some organic soy sauce. Bring down the temperature to low flame before you add the soy sauce. There is no need to use MSG, which is also called Ajinomoto. I added altogether 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can add more or less according to your taste. See, it is looking nice and fluffy. It is not even sticking to the pan. I am adding some black pepper powder also. It gives some nice flavor and enough spiciness. For extra spiciness, you can use hot sauce also, but I am not using hot sauce. Please remember that sauces contain preservatives anyway, so we should be using less frequently. Especially pregnant women and nursing mothers should not be using too much sauces. Soy sauce contains a lot of sodium in it, so be careful not to add extra salt in it. You can garnish with some green onions. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me your feedback. Please visit my Telugu channel Sisreka's Cooking and Arts also. You can find both English and Telugu videos on my website at sisrekaskitchen.com.